Slices. It's your boy Fiam. It's Friday. I'm happy, I'm excited. I just went go-karting yesterday with my work peeps, and it's actually been a while since we've come and seen the car, to be honest. I've been opening and closing the garage but not taking notice of the car itself, right? It's looking pretty cool, looking pretty nice. Okay, so you guys know the plans, right? We're waiting for next month to get some fiberglass, then we can fiberglass some shit. But for now, what we actually need to be doing is making those side sill pieces, right? So you can see I put some perspex on there, and it's basically how I want to do it. Although now that I'm looking at it, I don't want to do it like that anymore. Alright, so how we are gonna do it is I'm gonna take a piece from the bottom there and then come up like this, right? So I'm gonna use a piece of cardboard. So basically the stock piece here can be thrown away, right? Now just looking at that bottom piece, right? So you can see we have a bit of arrow going there. Then so where that perspex thing is, I'm going to make a small vent that goes up like that, right? That is big enough that actually goes onto there. So then basically like we'll have the vent at the top and a vent that goes in like that, right? Now because we're going to be doing it that way, I'm going to be doing the same here, right? The same concept. We have the vent at the top, then we're going to be doing a piece at the bottom, right? Now because we're having all of those empty pieces everywhere, what we're going to do is put on my very broken lip, and we're going to do the same thing there, right? Then once that's done, depending on how long it takes, I may start with a boot spoiler, and then tomorrow I'll fiberglass it all up. Cool. Okay, so this is where we at, right? I fucking love this thing, let me be honest with you, right? Now from the camera, it's not, you're not seeing what I'm seeing, right? So I'm gonna go closer. I don't think it's gonna do it justice, right? Because the way I'm seeing it and the way you're seeing it may not be the same. But yeah, I think it's pretty fucking cool, right? So I put my old lip on, right? As you can see, it's like damaged there, but that's basically how I wanted that thing to go. I think it will be pretty cool. Like from here, like you're gonna see the wheel, and then it's gonna go up towards the fender and join up like that. Let me show you from the side. I like it, right? And that's just the front. Okay, the first thing you're gonna see is there, right? So similar concept. It goes up and joins up, right? Ignore the silver foil tape there. So that's basically it, right? And I think this is gonna look pretty fucking sweet, to be honest with you, right? Look at that one, then look at that one, right? Now this one, unfortunately, that's not brown, but pretty much the same idea, right? So look at it. I think it's gonna look cool, guys. I really do think it's gonna look cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I am gonna be fiberglassing this shit up, but I mean, like, these pieces are easy to make, right? So I can make them, destroy them as I please, you know. So yeah, I don't know if that's all for today. I'm gonna check the time now. I may end up starting with the boot spoiler, but I mean, I'm pretty flippin' happy with this, to be honest with you. Like, it's gonna look freaking cool, like there and like there, and then so like here you're gonna see this like this, but then when you come around, it's gonna be like that, and I think that's flippin' awesome. Yeah, I think I may just post this earlier than normal, just to get some feedback on it before I fiberglass it. I mean, I really love it. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm building a car for myself, so really, if I love it, what else matters? Nothing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm open to different ideas. It's just, this has been working on my mind for quite some time. I don't even think like I'll ever split I may just like put like a piece that goes like right across there. I don't know, we'll see afterwards, but for now, like this here, pretty flippin' amazing in my opinion. I'm gonna fiberglass it up tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think, if you think I should be doing it a different way. I took the shit off the roof of the car to give you guys a better look at this, right? I mean, look at that, it looks really good, right? Look at that. Now look at how complete it looks from here, right? It looks flippin' complete, guys. This piece, it's nice and small, you know, not too much. That's like just right also. And then I just took out that board and lifted it to see how this would look. I mean, I like it, to be honest. I like that height, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fiberglass, put releasing agent on the boot, fiberglass the shape, put this exactly how I want it, because you're gonna see it's not gonna be long. I'm gonna end here on this line of the boot, right? You can see somebody already fucked up my boot when I gave it to them just to make me a boot spoiler. And then basically I'm gonna take this, put it on that piece that I fiberglass, mold it together, and close it up downwards this way. Alright, then I'm gonna put a bunch of these, like maybe 4 of them to be honest, along the boot line that goes through it this way, and that's gonna be my Lightning McQueen type boot spoiler. Again, look at that. I think it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna post this today and you guys let me know, because I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. So yeah, that's my update. Peace out.